we see overall retail growth fairly stable at over 5%, a little bit better than in previous years. But what's interesting is actually the divergence between the different regions. So we see Western Europe actually doing much better. Now it's growing with 1.6%, as consumers are feeling a little bit more confident in the euro crisis now. On the other hand, Eastern Europe, which was the fairly dynamic region, is showing the biggest slowdown from 8% to 6%, very much on the back of the conflict in Ukraine. On the other side of the Atlantic, North America is experiencing a moderate slowdown in comparison to the previous year. It's still growing with 2.5%, which is much better than Western Europe. But the reduction of sales that we saw at the beginning of 2014 due to the very harsh weather has not been really overcome. And now retailers are eager to draw consumers in with promotions, discounts, and this is hampering value growth. Asia Pacific is expected to grow with 7% in 2014, and what's interesting is actually the different dynamics in the region. China is maintaining robust 10% growth. Japan has been doing very well as well, with the second biggest market. It's growing with 2% growth in 2014, and it has been better than many analysts have been hoped for. The impact from the rise of the VAT sales tax has been actually not that significant on consumer spending. On the other hand, India, which is the third biggest market, is growing really rapidly, 13% growth on the back of the positivity from the elections this year. The two fastest growing regions globally are Latin America and Middle East and Africa. Latin America is benefiting a lot from the very high inflations in Venezuela and Argentina to boost the overall growth rates to 12%, while in Middle East and Africa, a lot of the growth is still on the back of the organic growth in many of the underdeveloped retail markets across that region. In fact, this is the region that is going to grow fastest in real terms over the forecast period, and in 2014 as well. And Nigeria is the market achieving the fastest real growth in the next 5 years as well.